Okay, guys, I'm going to be recording the video for tomorrow. So this is the night before. So I will have be done this slide presentation up to the point of this video will be inside embedded into here. So basically, this is connecting Claude to OneUp and then scheduling Best Buy of the week. So first, what we're going to do is download this presentation. So download it as a PowerPoint file, comes to your computer. Now we're going to come to Claude. We want to make sure that we have cowork enabled here, Claude cowork. Then we're going to attach that file there. So now that file is attached. Then we come to our guide. So we're going to have a Claude account. Then we can go purchase one up for about $25. We'll come here. And what this is, it's a social media schedule poster. So you can schedule post all of your social media posts. You come to the settings and you go to API MCP. And then basically click here to get help with Claude setup. Or you come back to this guide, which will be linked in the video. And you come down here. So how to connect Claude and social media posts via OneUp. So after you get the subscription, then you're going to come in here. You're going to get your API key, hit this copy button right here. And once you copy that API key, um, this is a demo API key. But once you have that, you're going to then add the remote MCP. So this API key will come into here. So Control B there. Now that's your new link. And so we're going to go click on this, Claude connectors, and we're going to add a custom connector here. And then we'll just do one up. It doesn't matter what you name this. Just that's what you're going to name it. Then we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this remote MCP. While we do that, I'm going to actually paste my real one in there. So then that's in there. So let's see. Okay, looks like it is connected. Let me just double check. Yep. So let's get that connected here. So now it is connected, as you can see. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we have this connected. And then if you guys want to learn how to schedule post your Claude tasks here, I included this step-to-step tutorial, which is a very good video. But basically now we're going to come in here and we're going to now every Monday build this week. So we're just going to use this basic prompt. Um, so boom, and then we're going to do that. And so basically what that's going to do now is build out the schedule posting using OneUp, which is our platform. So if we come back to the demo, this will take a couple minutes. But basically what I've done inside of this presentation here is broken out. For example, if you want to, I recommend put your agent name here and then your first and last name here for your website. The reason why is because that's your home sale guarantee realty website that everybody has. When you do that, the AI will automatically post Tuesday and Thursday your seller ads. I broke it out with your universal offers. So so I took the entire website, broke out the URLs for the different pages, so Tuesday and Thursday ads, and that's the domain. So they're going to rotate them every single week, so you don't have the same post. And then all of your buyer landing pages are here. And then your full page map. I mapped the entire website for you guys by hand. I did this last week when Fenella told me about this. And then basically the instructions are they can set up auto posting. I recommend just doing Tuesday and Thursday auto posting just because those are easy to do. And then every Monday, set a weekly reminder that just tells you to do the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday posts. You could have it automatically do everything. I think just as a quick 10 to 15 minutes QA check, I would definitely recommend that. So also, would love feedback. This QR code gives me feedback on for your home sold. Let them know that I'm a great trainer, and they'll definitely invite me back. But yeah, so we'll come in here and see. So it's still researching it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up chat and I'm going to do the same thing with chat here. So chat, I need images for Monday through Friday. Posts one image for each day. And so that's it. Chat, I need images for Monday through Friday, one image for each day. This keeps it super simple and easy. Um, So that way I'm just showing because Claude doesn't do a lot of image generation, so you could either go search them online. I do recommend using AI photos for your social media versus finding stuff on Google. Um, the social media pages do rank original photos, and AI does rank as original photos, though it will be tagged as AI. Um, Preferably, if you could take photos with your phone or a professional camera, if you have a camera crew on your team, a photographer, videographer on your team, use those. But if you're just a single agent and don't have the money and resources, definitely use AI. And even some of the larger teams, you can use AI for a lot of posts now. So, okay, so here's five of them. Give me just Monday. Give me just Tuesday. And so that's what I would just do. So it's going to break out. So it's got this Best Buy of the Week there. So it broke out all five posts. And now I'm basically saying it just give me Monday. Just give me Tuesday. Just give me whatever. So let's just use so now it's saying what agent site map or text or number. So let's just use Carol Race dot your home sold guaranteed realty.com. And what connected account should we post? All I will include images in a few minutes. And what time should the Tuesday and Thursday seller ads go out? Um, for me, let's say 9 a.m. So it's written out these ads here. It needs my phone number still because I got to train it. My phone number is 602-425-4526. Actually, just generated an agent lead this week because of this. So boom, Monday, Best Buy of the week. So, you could do this a lot better and take more time, but I'm legit just showing you how to do this in 10 minutes. So, here's that. Let's see, go back. Let's see, give me Tuesday. So now it's loading. Boom, boom, boom. It's working. It's posting. And this is basically it. So, I think using Claude versus, Lofty has a good one inside of it. I just think it's easier to do more customizations here using Claude. And you can set up the recurring stuff. So, basically now with this, once I get the output, it will be, it's just automatically approve everything, right? So allow for all. Now this will automatically post every single week. And I definitely watch this video on how to, set it up from here. I think this is a 9-minute video right here. And so they just go into more detail of how to see the recurring tasks and everything else. But yeah, I'm going to keep this video short. So, now it's got the buyer ad here. So, you know, now it's building out all the landing pages, best buys of the week, 10 best buys. And now get it scheduled for. All right, so it'll be good. But yeah, I'm gonna stop this here just to keep this short. Um, yeah, I'll send this buyer and seller graphics. But yeah, so that is that. So hopefully, this has been a good training. This is just a part that I want to throw in for the single agents that are interested in running their social medias and automating it. So if you did like this, please do give some feedback here. We'll much appreciate that. Thanks, guys.